Welcome back to SonicSnap. Today we're breaking down Now by Vybz Kartel, a song that questions education, ambition, and the future of the youth.
You no teach we fi make computer. You teach we fi turn shooter. Them no sure we fi make airplane. Them on go sure we fi fly man brain. No.
Kartel starts by pointing fingers at the system, teaching violence instead of innovation. He's saying education failed the youth.
Enough good youth left school. Ambition them no shatter, but them a fi sit down pan corner. Free your style them as eyeglass and hurt them.
Ambition is there, but opportunities aren't. The youths get sidelined, judged, and left on the corner.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. 30 youth from Rima. Shoulda be a nuclear physicist. 100 gal from De La Vega. Shoulda be astronaut pan rocket ship.
Here's the heart of the song, Brilliance Wasted. Kartel is saying our brightest could be scientists and astronauts, but the system never gave them the chance.
You won't go teach me the basic. Can't believe you sell out your people in a slavery. Oh, you did.
He connects it back to history, a broken system rooted in exploitation. Kartel is accusing leaders of betrayal, selling out the people.
You no teach we fi make computer. You teach we fi turn shooter. Them no sure we fi make airplane. Them on go sure we fi fly man brain.
Repeating the hook drives the point home. Education has been reduced to survival, not creation. Now by Vybz Kartel isn't just a song, it's social commentary, plea for opportunities, and a reminder of what's being lost. What do you rate this one out of 10? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more SonicSnap reviews.